ni Maine okay kayo?
Super ano po.
So alam niyo yun na may mga nambabas sa'yo ng mga fans niya. Anong sabi niya sa'yo?
Sabi niya, okay lang yan, Taki, basta huwag mo na sila pansinin, basta maging masaya ka lang. Basta, pag parang Ate Min is very friendly, very ate-ate, so she would always be there to comfort me and everything.
Okay. Also,
Pinakamasakit na sinabi sa'yo, naiyak ka.
Na ano po, parang pabebe daw po ako, at magalaw-galaw daw po ako sa mga boys. Parang gano'n, pero hindi po talaga kasi yung tingin ko po sa kanilang lahat, parang mga vlog ako, mga kuya-kuya, so parang, syempre, parang pag nag-joke, ano ba, gaganon na po bigla. So parang, na-offend po ako kasi parang, ano ba, we're just very close friends, bawal ba mag-ganon or bawal ba bigla na lang, I mean,
so na-conscious ka.
yes, I've been making ingat, pero biglang sabi ni mama sa akin, don't do ingat kasi it's you, ganun din naman, you're bubbly, you're friendly, huwag mo naman mabubuhay ng sarili mo for only like what, 3-4 comments that people would just say like that.
Ay, yung fans ni Maine, ano sinabi ko masakit sa'yo?
Yun nga, gaya, wag mo.
Opo, sinagaya na pinapalitan ko daw po siya sa Itbulaga, or parang sabi ko, hindi ko mo siya pinapalitan, parang she's like my mentor na minsan. So parang sabi ko, grabe naman po kayo magsalita, mag-ate na nga po kami sa AAA and as Bulaga.
So nararamdaman mo naman na mula na naging Bulaga ka, dumami yung mga fans mo, dumami nakapansin.
Yes po. Super thankful po ako sa lahat. And parang what I do with my fans po, I like to keep it small. I mean like, I have Taki lovers, Taki stairs, Taki flowers. Para when we have get together, I can have special moments with them. Para I can talk to them. Mas makikilala ko po sila bawat tao. Kaysa marami po sila yung one get together and it's hard to know them.
Kayo ni Kenneth, tuloy-tuloy na ba yan yung love team?
Yes and no. Actually, the story isn't very good. Pero, parang ano po siya, on and off. On and off na may gusto, wala. Magulo po siya, magulong story. Kasi sa una, hindi po masyadong ipapakita.
Dito yon sa story.
Yes,
Pero yung sa totoong buhay,
wala po talaga.
walang love. Hindi. Ibig sabihin, kayo talaga yung nilalove team ni Kenneth.
Yes po, pero pinupusyan po kami ni Nikki in Bulaga po as dancers there. Kasi magkagalaw po kami, magka-high, and paras po kami makulit pagkakasama.
Medyo iba po.
So, teka lang. Taki sa Kalye 7, ikaw lang ang masaya, kayo lang ni Kenneth nung nag-end na yung taping.
Ano po?
Kayong dalawa lang ni Kenneth ang masaya kasi kayo lang ang may show pa rin eh. Paano yun?
It was syempre po medyo awkward po kasi the others nagtatanong ba't sila hindi kasama pero kami kasama. Pero para sa akin, Lord, God gave us time. Parang may right time, may tamang panahon para sa bawat tao. So parang, I think that God gave it to me and Kenneth for a reason and that the other people of the cast will also have their time. Konting hintay lang po.
Ola, kung si May napasikat ng bongga na Itbulaga, sa tingin mo ba ganun din ang plano nila?
Wish ko po na ganun po yung plano nila sa akin. Pero gagawin ko po lahat and I'm learning and I'm being teach every single day by Bulaga host and from everyone around me. So I'm just absorbing everything and learning and I really hope that ma-achieve ko po.
May tanong ka, kuya?
Hi.
Hello po!
So, this TV series, anong sa palagay mong magiging sort of good advice para sa mga millennials?
Para sa akin kasi, the millennials will see another way of thinking. Hindi naman po cellphone.
Oh.
Like, there's a lot of people of my age, puro cellphone lang sila ng cellphone. And like, for the people older, they would know more about yung teenagers nila. Kasi minsan, as teenagers, hindi namin po pinapakita. Parang, like my mom knows that, hindi ko pinapakita emotions ko, kung ano nangyayari sa buhay ko. So I think that for especially parents, will relate more in the show.
So, do you think the show will sort of a little bit na makapag sort of ano yun, yung makapag decrease ng generation gap between millennials and yung mga older folks like the parents?
Yes, I really think. Kasi it would connect more the parents to their children and the children to the parents. Kasi you'll be seeing the relation of Tommy and Sir Benji. So you'll see the relation, and I think that the parents could also relate, ay sana hindi ko pala sinagot yung daddy ko na ganon, or sana hindi ako ganon sa teacher ko. There's few things that you would be relating with.
So what do you think ang pinaka-misunderstood trait ng mga millennials ngayon na hindi naiintindihan ng mga older generations?
Oh, that's a tough one. I guess siguro yung kasi us millennials, mahilig po kami magalit bago po malaman ano po yung dapat. Parang, example, me and my mom, she would always advise me so many things, pero I would always be like, no, tama ako. And that's actually millennials' problems. Like, we always think that kami yung tama, kami yung maraming alam. Pero yung totoo, our parents are like, always telling you what to do, for you to do what's better for you. So, siguro yun yung
So if you will be talking like, for example, kunyari kakausapin mo ako na ako yung matanda ako, what's your message to me?
I would invite you to watch Drops to know more about your kids, because you'll be relating, because ang dami namin, you'll be able to see yung character na anak niyo po sa amin, at saka ma-enjoy niyo po panoorin ng secret buhay na anak niyo po.
Thank you.